Um, I'm so rude. I'm Lerato Kubedi, as you should know, but if you don't know, let me know. With one eyebrow. Yeah. Sorry, I was just actually like this get ready with me. I want my get ready with me is to just be very realistic. Like if I'm in a rush, I'm in a rush. You know, if I spill something, I spill something. If I am in a frenzy to get dressed, I'm in a frenzy to get dressed. And I want you guys to see that whole process, you know. Not that I want to break something, but yeah, my brother and my sister were about to, my mom and my brother were about to have like a whole meeting in my room. Even though I felt like I came off a bit rude because I was like, I need to film. And that time my cousin is like chilling so nicely on the bed. And then after some time she's like, should I give you some space? And I was like, nah. Then I think she figured that she'd be like moving around a lot. So yeah. I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows with the D5 Krylan. You guys know Krylan is, she's that beat. A Morphe palette that my cousin borrowed me, Gabo, because I was bored of my palette. So I think I'm gonna go in with, doesn't have a name, this is just what it looks like. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, so let me open it. Let me actually try it on my hand. Okay, yeah, no, it's perfect. It's exactly what I'm looking for, but it has so much fallout. No, but it's perfect. It doesn't have a lot of fallout. So I'm gonna go in with this like orangey shade, and then I'm gonna mix it with this brown, this dark brown. So I think I'm gonna just mix these two. I'm gonna start off with this one and then add on with this one. Yeah. Outfit done by Lloyd. It's just a tassel outfit. Okay, this is what it looks like. It comes with a crop top, and then it's got tassels as well, and the pants as well. I got these earrings from this other China shop by McDonald's in Pretoria CBD. So I got these ones. If you guys can see the detail, I've got my dirty lolly earrings on, of course. And then this one I took it out. I've got these two hoops from Bonalo Salon. I've got my henna. I've got this old ring from Mr. Price. I've got my watch from Calvin Klein. I've got my piercings. And yeah, that's how my hair is looking today. Let me show you guys. This is how my hair is looking today. I feel like my makeup is looking really good today. And the lashes make my life so much easier. Don't mind the loose tile over there. But this is how I look today. Oh, and the bag. Nice cute black bag. It's got this detail, but I'm not a fan. This is just my oil. I'm gonna wipe it. I'm not a fan of this detail because it's not real, but it's fine. Whenever I carry it, I just carry it like this, or like this. Mask for today is this one. I hope you guys enjoyed my uncandid get ready with me. It was very uncandid, it was very real. I kept it as honest and genuine as I could. It's now 10:15. I'm early. I'm on time. The person I'm going out with won't believe that I was on time, but look at the time. Exactly. So I'm on time. I'm not gonna eat because I think it's gonna spoil my appetite, so I'm not gonna eat. I'm just gonna lay down on my bed because I'm still a bit like, I still take meds. If you guys don't know, I take antidepressants, so I'm still a bit sleepy. My armpits are getting better. Take a nap until he arrives, then I'm gonna put on my shoes. Yeah, let me go and take a nap because I'm not okay. I'm still tired. I'm whispering because my cousin is trying to sleep. I saw a lady subscribed. Let me get her name. Shout out to Bobby C Sweet who subscribed to my channel. It really warms my heart that people are still subscribing. So the fact that she subscribed really warms my heart. So shout out to you. No, actually not shout out. I want to send love to Bobby C Sweet for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope you see this video and see this part where I'm just sending you a whole lot of love and appreciation for seeing potential in my videos, or liking my videos, or whatever whatever led to you actually subscribing to my channel, because I feel like some people might watch my videos and they don't subscribe. So I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna put your name somewhere here. It's already been showing for a while now, so thank you so much. I'd really appreciate it if you spread the word to your friends, your family as well, and anybody who's watching this. Please get the word out. I'd really love for my is that a lizard? Really love for my channel to grow. Oh, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss a beat and never miss a pulse. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.